Why would this plugin change the way you create drums? Today we are talking about TEKNO, a drum synthesizer by Baby Audio. So this is not your standard sample-based drum beat. TEKNO actually synthesizes drums from scratch. So this is the TEKNO interface, and right off the bat we can see there is many different presets for different drum kits, and all of the sounds here are created using the TEKNO plugin. So they are not samples, they are synthesized drums. And as you can see, we got the kick, snares, hi-hats, toms, claps, rim shots, and other percussions, and even some tonal sounds, and more. And each of these can be adjusted with many different parameters. For example, the kick. We can try adjusting different things and see what results we get. Frequency, length, shape, click, tame, sub, exciter, tilt, saturation, and reverb. And now we just created a brand new kick. If we want to go even more in detail, we can go here and change these parameters which go deeper. So everything can be adjusted and you essentially create your own drum sounds. And if you like the drum you created, you can actually just drag it into your DAW, any DAW will do, and now you have it as an audio file. Which is excellent, so you can create your own drum samples and then use them as you wish. But my favorite thing is of course just randomizing it, so it will adjust all of these effects. So we can press on this button to randomize this sample. And it will pretty much create a whole new sample just like that. And we can do the same for snares. And have sort of unlimited number of sounds at our hands. So let's create a drum beat and let's play around with the parameters. So for my starting point, I'm gonna choose a preset that I like already. So if we go to piano roll, we can see all of the drums laid out and we can start creating our drum beat. So let's just do a kick. Let's do a hi-hat. And we can change the limit a little bit, the clipping. Let's add a clap. Let's do a tom as well. A really big drum beat. I want to adjust the tom, so let's go back to TEKNO. Let's randomize it. And shorter as well. So let's just play this drum beat and go through different presets to see if one of them catches our ear. I really love this because usually I'm using samples and they give you a whole different result than using like synthesized drums, which you can just hear the analog sound in there, and it's a lot more interesting for certain types of tracks. I really like the rumble in this one from the kick. Okay, another thing we can do is also sidechain certain drums right in the TEKNO plugin. So we can do hi-hats. Maybe we can do hi-hats like this. If we go to the hi-hat, we can choose what's it gonna be sidechained by. So we can do the kick and just sidechain it. So every time the kick hits, the volume of the hi-hat will be lower. And we can also go to the master and change the human parameter, which is gonna randomize some of the things. So each time the hi-hat plays, it might play slightly differently. You can hear it right away. And if you go to human here, you can also change how much it's going to affect each parameter. So now it sounds like this. So you can hear the hi-hat and the open hi-hat are slightly different each time they play. So now that we have this drum beat, which is kind of interesting, let's try adding some sounds to it and see if we can get a track going right away. I'm gonna use an arpeggio like this for the bass. And of course we can also check the kick. It's at 50 Hertz. We can also change that to pitch, so the kick is at G1. So we know the bass note we should go for, same as our kick. So I'm gonna remove the high frequencies. And maybe let's make this unique and add a crash. Let's add another sound. Let's try another sound. And now, just for fun, we can try to change the drum completely to see if we can get a better one for this track. Let's take a look at another example. I have a little track here with no drums. So let's add some with Techno. So I loaded up Techno and now let's start creating the drum beat. And of course the open hi-hat is kind of low in volume here, so we can go to the mixer in Techno, mix, and we can increase the volume of the open hi-hat. Okay, I don't like the ride, so we're gonna adjust that one. Again, we can just randomize it. And it's gonna create a whole new ride every time. And right off the bat, we have a whole new drum beat. This way your drum sounds have a unique sound that cannot be achieved with samples, usually. And if you want to go even more crazy, you can randomize the entire drum kit. So if you press this button, it will randomize all of the sounds. So let's do that. And let's see if we can get a cool result this way. Is pretty cool. It has an interesting open hi-hat. And of course you can also save your kits whenever you randomize them or create them on your own. You can save them and use them for later. So that's another example on how you can use this Techno plugin for unique drum beats. But even though it's called Techno, you can definitely use this for many different genres in electronic music. So let's take a look at some Dubstep Kits by Virtual Riot. So creating more of a dubstep rhythm here. I like the clump with the snares. Now let's take a look at another example. So really cool for creating experimental drums as well. So let me just randomize all of these, right? And let's create some experimental drum beat. And of course you can also adjust the master effects, add a limiter. And some filters. And let's randomize everything again. If your DAW, for example, doesn't have swing, which FL Studio does have swing, you can also use swing from here and adjust the amount of it. So if you want to check out Techno by Baby Audio, the link will be below in the description. It's a really unique plugin for creating drums, and it will definitely change the way you create drums for your songs, resulting in a more unique sound in your tracks. And thank you to Baby Audio for sponsoring this video. Anyways, thanks for watching, check it out, link is below in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!